What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I got a Porsche for you. The material I used is tech wrap and the name of the color is Mossy green. I got the car all finished up. I was gonna record the process of me finishing it up like I do for all my other cars, but in this case the new video equipment was being shipped out, so I ended up just waiting, getting the car finished up. So when the new equipment comes in, I just do the whole 360 walk around, talk about the car, and in this case most likely probably even review tech wrap. In the meantime, let's do a little 360 walk around until the rims come in from the powder coating place. And yeah, we're gonna put the rims on, do a 360 walk around when the sun is beaming at it, and conclude the video. So talking about tech wrap, also working with it 70 to 80 degrees. Anything above 85 is gonna create crease marks, 90 even more crease marks. Crease marks are these really annoying lines because the adhesive is already activating because it is so hot, and find it really annoying. 70 to 80 degrees, remember that. Another thing, it is a high-grade polymeric calendar material, which means already if you're wrapping, it's gonna be tacky. Not as tacky as Hexus, but it will be in the middle. I think Avery is one of those easy materials because of how low their tack is, and their adhesive activates when you heat it up. And that's why I feel like Avery is not my number one, because you could just put it on, heat it up, and just get rid of all the bubbles. Speaking of the air release, this vinyl is really good with air release. I'm just gonna say that straight up. It's really easy to work with. So 70 to 80 degrees, and you got this. You got this. You make the car look like paint. Going around real quick, I'm gonna show you this mirror, how we did it. We removed this, and then we did so a piece right here, a piece right here, and then a piece on the bottom. So there's a cut, and then I think a cut right here. You could do this top piece one piece, but I'm thinking about longevity. In the future, it's gonna peel back. It's gonna peel back. So, you know, thinking about that, we had to think of something, and then of course heats up, and look how still, look at the adhesive, it still sticks in this groove. That's how crazy tech wrap is. Like if this was Tinybot, it will be peeling back right here. You'll see bubbles. Speaking of Tinybot, stay tuned for the video. I will be uploading it. The truth about Tinybot. I will be reviewing my own car, which I wrapped in sunflower yellow. So definitely don't want to miss that video. Second most impressive part that I pulled off, really, I thought about doing this hood in one piece till I measured. It was 5 feet 6 inches, right? 5 feet 6 inches by 7 feet. So I was like, oh boy, I gotta pull off the knifeless tape. And we did that. So I used these lines to my own advantage, did this part, and then right here did this part, and then this part. So it's 3 pieces basically. So that's for the hood. Pretty impressive how I pulled that off. And of course everything had to come off. I did not cut right here and tuck it in. The bumper came off, all these things came off. I just went in there, then put it back on, and it looks so much better, like paint like finish. You can see somewhat the sun hitting it. Just wait till we get the rims gloss black. We're gonna put out in the sun. This thing is gonna look like completely something else. By the way, the key looks exactly like this color, so I feel like they try to match it to the key. But yeah, the rims are on the way, literally, and put them on, take them out in the sun. I can't wait, you guys, how this thing is gonna just completely probably blow the guy's mind. All right, got the Porsche rim caps all finished up. Time to put them on. By the way, here's the new rim, all powder coated gloss black. Bam. Now it's time to take it out in the sun and do a 360 walk around. All right, there you guys have it. So let's do a little 360 walk around. So good. Gloss black roof, we did that. Looks so good. Right here the sun is hitting it, you can see. It's so nice. There you guys have it. All right, so the Porsche is gone. Now we got the Maserati that we gotta make it look good. So for this one, I will be using Flexi Shield. Do not want to miss the next video. That's where I will be working with Flexi Shield. But other than that, like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.